Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and one of the parts of your temperature control system in your RV is the floor vents. Now, these are really important to cover up because you don't want to get anything in there, you don't want to lose your key down a floor vent. That is not the best way to spend your vacation. So, the solution for this is a floor vent register or a floor vent cover, depending on which wording you use. Now, we have 3 different sizes available, all very similar except for the size. So for the 2x10 size, which is this one right here, the product code for it is RP-1235. And then for the next size, our 4x8, it is RP-1236. And for our last size available right here, the 4x10, the product code for this is RP-1237. So all of these are non-adjustable, fixed, they're stationary vent covers, which is really great because you don't want to be, on your vacation and then you're like, oh no, I forgot to switch the vent cover to direct the air where I want it. Well, now you have to worry about that. Or you have to worry about, it's rusting a little bit and you can't undo it or redo it the way you want to. With this one, you just put it in and forget about it. So it's really easy to use because of that. And the plastic composite construction is really durable and it's really easy to put in as well. It comes in black and beige, which you saw with the other colors there. It is very easy to install. You just pop it into the opening, and with the 2 screw covers the screw holes on either side, you just screw it in place. So it's made in America as well. It's really great, really awesome, and if you want to find out any more, just click on the product page below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.